All right, so this thing has been cooling off for about 10 minutes. It's comfortable for me to touch with my hand without screaming. This is held on together with magnets, so we just want to pop this off and it literally will just kind of boop, and that's off. And we got our print. That, as you can see, kind of melted away. It's because we left the print nozzle on for too long. The previous video should have recorded that or reviewed that. We got 2 layers of blue tape on here, and that's really nice because we should be able to just kind of take off one of the layers, keeping the second layer on. And this is just standard blue painter's tape. It's nothing special. And this is the weird part. So sometimes you can just kind of work your model off, not all the time. And you don't want to do this when it's really warm because you'll warp your model. It's warm, it's malleable. So I can't pull that off just by prying. So I'm going to take this little shim, and these are usually floating around the space. There's almost always one hiding either right there, usually on the other side there, in the same little hole. And I'm just going to kind of tap this guy with a screwdriver. Not very hard. Nice and annoying. And hopefully that should be enough to just kind of work that slightly under. Cool. So you can just kind of pop this off. It doesn't usually all come off, so you got to go at it with a razor blade. And there's this loose little overhang. That's the skirt of the brim. You can get that off with just a razor blade, utility knife. But there is the 3D printed cube. Once you're done, you just want to make sure it's turned off on the back. You want to coil everything up. This guy lives in the very back room, so if it's busy, you might want to put it back there. If you're not sure where it goes, talk to somebody on staff. Thanks a ton for watching. Let us know if there are any issues with this video. If you're like, wow, it would have been really helpful if they let me know about that. Or like, holy cow, this is the most amazing thing ever. Tell somebody, maybe Kavna or myself. Sweet.